Have you ever wanted to know where every single plane in the world was at any given time? Well, now you can. Well, this is a cool little program. You can click on any plane. It calls up the information, where it's been and where it's going. This one is going from Spain to JFK. And you have a plane over here. This one is going from Los Angeles to Santiago. How cool is that? I mean, seriously, every single, I guess, flight, international, domestic, there's a lot of stuff going to Hawaii, isn't there? Let's follow the trail of airplanes here. Wow, no kidding. There is a trail of airplanes here. Wonder where they're all going. Oh, I found Japan. Imagine that. Let me take a look at this here. You got going from Tokyo to Anchorage. Did not know there was a flight that went from Tokyo to Anchorage, and now I know. This is so neat. I could play with this website for like ever. You have a random airplane down there. It's going from Hong Kong to Cebu. I don't know where Cebu is, actually. Huh. Interesting. You got, let's go up and see North Korea. I bet you there aren't going to be any flights. That's just awkward, isn't it? Okay, we got, what is this here? From Yinzo Shashkinadinsk to Vladivostok. All right. Let me go ahead and not click on a Russian plane again, because that was just awkward. Okay. Over here we have India. Now that's a busy place right there. Look at all the stuff going on in India. Of course, it's a big country, but man, okay, we got going from Mumbai to London. All right. That's cool. And it gives you like all the stats. It tells you how far it has to go. It tells you, you know, the serial number, how old the plane is. I mean, wow. That's neat. Let's see what's going on in the Middle East. Lots going on there. Let's, I bet Rome is going to be packed. Wait for it to come up. Actually, there doesn't really seem to be a lot going on. Come on. I don't know if it's fully loaded. Here's España. Oh, it's probably not a lot going on because it might be the middle of the night there. Yeah, let's see. You figure Great Britain is about 5 hours ahead. Rome is probably 6 from where I'm at. It's 9:30, 10, 11, 12, 1, 2, 3. Yeah, it'd be like 3:20 in the morning in Italy right now, so that's probably why there's not a lot going on. That one's going from Lisbon to Sofia. Lisbon is that way. So it's going over Italy. Sofia should be in Romania somewhere. No, it's in Bulgaria. I was close. Oh well. Can't win them all. So yeah, it's the middle of the night over there in Europe, so there's not a lot going on. But Let's see. Whoa! Whoa! Looks like New York LaGuardia is pretty popular. Let's see where this one's going. New York to Istanbul. Neat. Let's see how Canada is doing. Lots of stuff going on up here. Now, where are these planes possibly going? There isn't anything up here. There's nothing there. Wow, we got a big old mess of them going that way. Okay, where are you going? No, 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 you. Where are you going? JFK to Beijing. Wow. I didn't know you could fly from New York City to Beijing. That's wild. It's 8,600 kilometers. 10 hours, 22 minutes. Oh, that flight is brutal. Brutal. Seattle to London. Didn't know you could fly from Seattle all the way to London. Oh, you got small planes over here. This is the Bombardier Challenger. This is a private jet, looks like. It doesn't say where it's going or where it's been. So that's a complete mystery. Let's see, on the other side of Canada, we should be approaching northern Russia. Canada just does not end. It's huge. Freaking huge. It's not letting me. Let's go back a little bit. How cool is this site, though? On a scale of coolness, this site is like coolness times a million. Let's just look at Europe and Northern Africa. See what we got there. Anyway, flightradar24.com is the name, and it's really nifty. So I just wanted to share this site with you in case you wanted to look at airplanes. You know what I'm saying? Because why not? Anyway, you have a good day. I'll see you on the flip side. And all that other great YouTuber malarkey. I'm out.